Hey guys, RTT back here for another video. Guys, today we're taking a look at a 3D render of the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, which we can expect sometime very soon. And let's go ahead and get right into it. So starting off right away, this leak is actually brought to you by Evan Leaks on Twitter. We looked at a lot of his other information in the past, and he is a credible leaker, so we want to go ahead and just take a look at this today. Starting off right away, this is the S21 Fan Edition. If you guys do not know what a Fan Edition of a phone is, pretty much it's a cheaper version of that said phone. So the S21 was, based on what I understand, not very well when it came to sales, but everything that people love about the S21 was taken, put into a phone, and this is what we have gotten from that phone. Now the thing is, though, the way they usually make these cheaper and less, you know, like the $1,200 price tag, is they go ahead and lower down the build quality. Some other things will be taken away from this phone, but the majority of stuff we love will be still in this phone. With that in mind, also, we will go ahead and see a price tag of anywhere from $699 to $749.99 for this phone. It will go ahead and also have many different colors, so there won't just be the silver that we are looking at in this video, white we're looking in this video. There will be definitely a lot more colors than just that. It will go ahead and have some decent overall, you know, upgrades to the S20 Fan Edition. Last year we saw that at a price tag around $699, so we could see, like I said, in that same price tag as I just mentioned. It will have a 4370 milliamp battery, 3 cameras with 32 megapixel main lens, along with a 12 megapixel and an 8 megapixel, a 12 megapixel front facing camera, in-display fingerprint sensor, and a support for 45 watt fast charging. The phone will also include 8 gigabytes of RAM and have 2 different storage options of 128 gigabyte and 256 gigabyte. It will go ahead and give us a 6.4 inch display that will be 2340 by 1080 resolution. Again, like I said, a little bit different than what we're going to see out of the S21 and what we saw out of the S21. So overall, yeah, exciting. So let's go ahead and look at this device. Starting off right away, this front device, all you can see is, of course, the punch hole camo, which will go ahead and, to be honest, you know, looking at what we saw with the Galaxy Fold 3 and how it was in an actual in-display camera instead of being an out-of-display camera, it's there, man. Like, you're gonna see it. That's just a fact. And, you know, a lot of people got mad about the, you know, in-display camera of the Galaxy Fold 3 because it looks like crap when you take pictures. And that is just how that works, because the whole premise is, when you're looking at the phone like this, you won't be able to see that little punch hole camera on the Galaxy Fold 3, while you will be seeing it on like the S21 Fan Edition. So it's one of those things where it's like a give and take here. If you want to see that punch hole right there, you will see it. If you want a better camera, if you don't care about your camera, you will go ahead and you can do an in display one, and you won't see it at all. So that's pretty much that. By the way, there are pretty much little to no bezels on this device, which absolutely look gorgeous in my opinion. You know, same thing we've seen with pretty much every single phone in the market nowadays, is they try to go as bezel-less as possible. No one really likes bezels, so they're trying to get rid of that as much as possible. Something we saw with the Galaxy S21. On the very bottom here, we have a very simplified design. We have our microphone. Actually, no, sorry, we have a SIM slot ejector right here. We have a USB-C, and finally we have our speaker grill. On the right side of the phone, we have a volume rocker and a power button. On the very top of the phone, we have what looks like a microphone, and that is it on that side. And on the very, actually, that might be that microphone. I want to say it's a microphone, but it might be an IR blaster. I want to say it's a microphone. The left-hand side, we have nothing, and on the back, we have, like I said before, our 3 camera setup, which is 32 megapixel, 12 megapixel, and 8 megapixel with our flash and our Samsung logo. Like I said, we're going to see many different colors of this exact same device. So, for example, this is what it would look like in green. So, same exact looking of what we just talked about, but it does go ahead and show right here it in green, and I don't know how I feel about that. as there's a fly in my room. I don't know if I feel about that. I do like the white color. I definitely think the white color looks very, very beautiful. And then obviously right here we have it in gray. So definitely tell me down below, guys, which color is your personal favorite? Ooh, I like gray. I like white and I like gray. Okay, let's see the other colors. What other colors do we have? We have violet. Okay, what is violet looking like? I don't know about violet. Yeah, not a fan. Not a fan of violet. And we also have blue. All right. Blue is not a fan. Not a fan. All right, definitely gray and white are my go-tos favorites for this. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Which of these would be your favorite? Now, when will this come out? We do not know at the moment. We just had the August event and they did not reveal this, so my guess would be sometime in September. Nonetheless, tell me down below which of these are your favorite. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.